It's Stacy. I'm just dropping a quick video on a box that I received. This will start a little bit of a review for us, but it's going to take me a few weeks to give you an actual good review on it. So let me show you what I got. I received the Influencer box, and it is the Perricone MD. You can see that. And what came in the box is this High Potency Classics Hyaluronic Intensive Moisturizer. Ta-da! Sorry, that light's really bad. But the instructions say to use this twice a day. Once in the morning after you wash, once at night after you wash. And this doesn't replace serums and things like that I'll be using, but this will replace any moisturizer. So the only thing that I'm going to be using is my oil, which is Burt's Bees, and then my eye cream, which I use the Estee Lauder eye cream here. So I will use these two, and I will use the Perricone MD. So today we'll start day one, and I will go for about 2 weeks and check back in with you guys to let you know exactly how it worked. So keep in tune, hit the notifications button if you're subscribed. If not, please subscribe to my channel so that you can see this review. I'm so happy and so interested to try this for you, so we've heard a lot about it. I will get back with you and let you know. Thanks.